The ancient Roman theatre of Philippopolis is one of the best preserved ancient theatres in the world and is located in the city of Plovdiv in Bulgaria. Nowadays, the ancient theatre is symbolical for Plovdiv and adjusted to the city's modern cultural life. The theatre can host between 5,000 and 7,000 spectators and is operating as a stage of opera, music and drama. The city of Philippopolis was incorporated into the Roman Empire in 46 AD. At that time, it was an important crossroad for the Roman Empire and the largest and most important city in the province of Thrace. The theatre is located in the old town of Plovdiv, in the saddle between Jambas and Taksim hills. According to the builder's inscription, the construction of the theatre dates back to the time of Emperor Trajan. The theatre itself is divided into the sitting section, also known as the Auditorium, and the stage, also known as the orchestra. The Auditorium, the area in which people gathered, is hollowed out of a hill or slope, while the outer radiant seats required structural support and solid retaining walls. The spectator seats are orientated to the south towards the ancient city in the lowland and the Rhodope mountains. In plan, the theatre is a semicircle with an outer diameter of 82 meters. The open-air spectators area include 28 concentric rows of marble seats surrounding the stage orchestra, which has a shape of a horseshoe with a diameter of 26.64 meters. The entrances to the orchestra, which are uncovered and vaulted, connect the cavea with the stage building. An underground vaulted passage begins from the center of the orchestra, goes under the stage building and leads out of the theatre. The stage building is situated south of the orchestra. It has 3 floors. The stage area is 3.16 meters high and its facade, which is facing the orchestra, is decorated with an Ionic marble colonnade with triangular pediments. Similar to all the theatres on the territory of the Roman Empire, in this theatre the honorary spectator seats were inscribed. Some honorary inscriptions show that the building was used as the seat of the Trajan Provincial Assembly. It is likely that some of the fights with animals were held in the theatre, as remains of safety facilities in front of the first row are uncovered. These additions were set because of the visit of Emperor Caracalla to Philippopolis in 214 AD. At the end of the 4th century, a large part of the theatre was destroyed by either fire or earthquake. The theatre was damaged in the 5th century AD by Attila the Hun. The ruins of the structure were found only in the late 1960s, and the excavations began in 1968. In 1979, it was opened to the public as a cultural monument. The restoration of the ancient theatre is recognized as one of the greatest achievements in the conservation field in Bulgaria. The monument was restored using the original architectural elements to the greatest degree possible, strictly following the anastylosis technique, and the new material is clearly visible. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you want to see more interesting videos, help our channel to grow by pressing the like button and share our videos with your friends. And if you're the first time here, don't forget to subscribe.